In a faraway land, there lived King Daniel the Great. He was worried because his daughter didn't want to get married. One night, he decided to talk to her.
Just give me a good reason. That's all I'm asking for.
I already told you, Father. Please don't insist.
You have to understand my position.
The king looked through the palace window.
Look at all this. I rule this kingdom. All this belongs to you.
I know, Father, but I don't like anybody here. I can't just marry any man.
There are very nice men in the kingdom. There are some nobleman, rich man, wise man. What do you want then?
The man I choose to be my husband has to be special.
In what way?
Let me put in this way, Father. I want to marry the bravest man in the kingdom.
What? What about all the men that have fought for this kingdom? Aren't they brave enough for you?
No, they aren't, Father. I want the treasure hidden inside the enchanted castle.
Oh, so you don't think you are rich enough? Is that it? You are not satisfied with what I give you. You want more? That's why this kingdom is not enough for you.
No, Father, you are wrong. I don't want the treasure. I only want the man who can bring it to me. The man who is brave enough to enter that castle. The man who dares to go inside. The man who can fight whatever is inside that palace. I just want that man.
But that's impossible. Nobody dares to enter the castle. People say there are horrible ghosts and terrible witches.
There must be someone who can do it. If you want me to get married, then do something.
Well, let me talk to your advisor. I see you in the morning.
Good night, Father.
Good night, darling.
The same night, the king talked to his advisors.
Think.
Think. Isuga mo tayo ang artificial. But your highness. Isog ba?
But your highness, nobody will go to the castle.
And you knew it.
Which means that there are no brave men in my kingdom.
I think we should tell you the truth.
Yes, let it tell your people that their princess will marry the brave man in the country.
Next day, they spread the news, and the king waited and waited and waited, until one day, a young man named Fearless John asked to see the king. Next day, they spread the news, and the king waited and waited and waited, until one day, a young man named Fearless John asked to see the king. Fearless John.
Your highness, I know
Your Majesty.
your majesty, I know that you are looking for the bravest man in this kingdom.
It is true. Do you know someone you would want to go to the castle? Do you know some brave and strong?
Yes, your majesty. It's me. I will bring the treasure.
Ha 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 ha. You are a dreamer. You are short and thin, and you look weak.
Tingnan ko.
Yes, your majesty. They call me Pearl's John because I'm not afraid for anything.
It's hard to believe. I think you should think about it.
I have nothing to think about.
Think about.
I have nothing to think about. I will go the castle tonight. I will go to the castle tonight.
It's up to you. Then just bring me the treasure, and my daughter will marry you.
That same night, Fearless John went to the enchanted castle, the palace where no one dared to go.
It's so dark in here and dirty, and there are spider webs everywhere.
Suddenly, he saw a ghost.
Hello, Mr. Ghost.
The ghost went straight to the dining room, and Fearless John followed him. But before entering the room, he heard a loud noise. Thrash, quash, mash. Fearless John turned around and said,
Do you think you scare me? You better stop that noise.
The loud noise was made by a huge snake that was coming down the stairs. Can't wait.
I can't waste my time with you. Go back.
The snake went upstairs, and Fearless John entered the dining room. And in the center of the room, there was a big dining table, and there were two green witches with red lips, hands, and hair, and two ghosts with big ears.
Come here, Fearless John.
Oh, so you know my name.
We know everything. We also know why you are here.
Which one? Do you want to have a dinner with us?
Sure, I am really hungry.
Would you like to test our soup made of frog eyes, snake tongue, and lizard tail?
Yes, it looks delicious.
You are our guest of honor. Sit down.
Fearless John sat at the table and enjoyed dinner. When he finished eating, he said, "Thank you."
Thank you for this wonderful dinner. I feel very tired. I am going upstairs to sleep. Oh, and please don't make a lot of noise. I really need to rest.
Which one? Have a pleasant dreams, Fearless John. Ha 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 ha. Fearless John went upstairs, and soon as he found a bed, he went to sleep. At midnight, he felt the bed was moving, and he woke up. Oh, it's fun.
Oh, this is fun. I am flying. This is the first time in my whole life that I'm sleep in flying bed.
Then the bed came down.
Oh, I was just having fun. Anyway,
And he went to sleep once again. Next day, when he woke up, he was surrounded by ghosts and witches.
good morning.
Sabi ko na.
I feel good morning. Good morning. I feel better now. After the good night sleep,
What can I do?
what can I do for you?
Ghost one. Ako.
Me, this one.
Ay, ikaw.
You are the first person who has treated us kindly.
No.
Kindly.
Treated us kindly.
Treated us kindly.
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 Otro.
You are the first person who has
Treated.
treated us kindly. Kindly.
Otro.
You are the first person who has treated us kindly. Kindly.
Nag-gusto.
That's right.
You haven't tried to harm us?
Or to get rid of us?
We want to give you the treasure you came looking for. Take this bag of gold coins.
and this box of precious jewels.
Oh, thank you very much.
Then he hugged the witches and the ghost.
I have to go now.
Goodbye, Peerless John.
He left the enchanted castle and went straight to the king's palace. When he arrived, he asked to see the king.
You are back.
Yes, your majesty, and I have the treasure with me.
I have to see it before I tell my daughter.
Fearless John showed the king the gold coins and the precious jewels. The king was delighted. Good.
Good. My daughter will be here in a few minutes, guard.
A guard entered the room.
Tell my daughter to come here immediately.
Your majesty. Yes, your majesty.
After a few minutes, the princess came into the room.
Did you want to talk to me?
Yes.
Yes, this Fearless John, and he brought the treasure from the enchanted castle.
Enchanted castle. The princess looked surprised, but at the same time satisfied.
Oh, thank you. And I will keep my promise to marry the bravest man in the kingdom.
Tomorrow, my people will know that my daughter will get married.
Maybe. Sige na lang. Sige.
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 Balik.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my people will know that my daughter.
Otro will know.
Tomorrow, my people will know that my daughter will get married.
Yes, Father, and please give the treasure to the needy people.
I knew you.
I know you.
I knew you. Disappoint.
I know you wouldn't.
I know you.
I knew you wouldn't disappoint me. I will.
And Fearless John and the princess had a magnificent wedding and were happy forever and ever. The end.